gonna be making mushroom cream pasta. Let's go to the ingredients. Okay, so this is what we need. Oregano, garlic, onion, tomato, mushroom, cream, pasta. Okay, so now we have the olive oil in the pan, and I'm gonna put the onion and the garlic. Now we're gonna cook it for 3 minutes. That's looking nice. So we're gonna add the tomatoes and we're gonna put it for 4 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna put the mushrooms. Now the oregano. And now the salt and pepper. Now we're gonna cook it for 4 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna put the cream now, and I put the heat a little down. So we're gonna put the cream now. Now we're gonna leave this here for 3 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna put the pasta and the Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna stir it for 3 minutes. That's it, mushroom cream pasta.